Hey everybody. So today's it's just kind of like a little update and what I'm getting ready to do. So got the starter back in there, but and I've been working on my front suspension over there. Um, kind of off about 4 inches on each side, and then I got my motor right here. And if you see, there's a little motor stand in the back there. Oh, there's a frame, and there's a motor stand. Anyway, I'll be working on this stuff. I'm going to put that motor on my stand, and we're going to make it a little spot. It needs its own little spot, so I'll work on that. We'll clean it up a little bit, and we'll start working on the frame, man. There is a frame there. There's everything I need, man. So let's just stick with that, and that's your 1 minute update from Rusty Nuts Used Automotive. Would you look at that? It looks like that little motor is on that stand. So that's progress. Yeah, I think I put the motor on the engine stand. I'm gonna test it in a minute. We'll take the chain off, see what I can do with it. Take it apart and shit. Been watching that Power Nation on YouTube. Oh yeah, baby. We're going for 400 and something horsepower. We'll get it. We're gonna get it. Alright, man. So this is a little Chevy small block 350. Nice little heads. Nasty water pump. Oh gosh. Anyway, this is a funny engine. Don't know what that is, but this water pipe. I think I'll pull this off. We'll get this off. I get the water pump taken off here. And I'll leave the intake on for till another day. There's some motor mounts. They look, I don't know. They look all right. I'm just gonna pull those off as well. There's a little gauge. I'm not sure what that is for. Not a gauge. I don't know what that is. And then we got the starter. Wait. Oh man, somebody, what? Oh, is that my drain plug? Or I mean my dipstick? That must be the dipstick down there. Yeah, right in there. That's the dipstick? Somebody filled it full of crap? That is bullshit, because I could not find a dipstick on this thing. That's what I was wondering. I was wondering, like, who the hell would make a motor with no dipstick? And then I started thinking about it, and I was like, oh man, this must be some new shit. But this is 80s. Let's say 84 or something like that. So here's our another motor mount there. Some ground or something. Anyway, we're gonna pull it all off. All this crap. Alright. And then I'll polish up these polish up these valve covers. From what I understand, all this stuff can polish up to like chrome. Shine like chrome. Hey man, so we're on the engine stand, took the valve covers off, seen all the baked in sludge. I pulled a couple bolts on the intake and try and get that off maybe tomorrow. And I do have two front ends. One's a Corvette suspension, 1984 Corvette, and the other one is the original 4-inch drop with the axle off a Model A. So anyway, we're gonna break this engine down a little bit more. I've been watching Power Nation and so I'm gonna give it a shot. I also been watching Rat Rod Bob, and I wish that dude was my uncle. I'd hang out with him all day. He has a nice garage. I'm kind of just working out of a little teeny one, maybe 2 car garage, but anyway, it's small and I'm storing shit in here. Anyway, let's take a look at the front end. This is disc brakes, and I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna set it up because there's some steering linkages and stuff that gonna get in the way once we drop it and put a radiator in there and all that stuff. So there's many different ways to go. That's what the real deal is. This is the front end off that Corvette. Pulled it all down and pulled that frame out. The A-arms bolt in right there, and there it is back over there. I'm probably gonna put this together a little bit, and I'm gonna go buy me a Sawzall, and I'm gonna saw this. I'm gonna cut it, and I'll put it back, and then I might stick my frame in there and use this type of front end, because this is like roadworthy. I mean, you can go up and down curbs, not curbs, but like street traffic, your local street traffic. Yeah, you got to go up and down all the driveways and stuff, and bumps and potholes. And I don't know, I still haven't made up my mind, but my measurements are off about 5 inches. Catch you on the next one. All right, so I got the 2 right here. There's 2, and this is the bottom one. It's long, and then this is the top one. So the top one goes in about there, and then this top one goes below, goes down there. Okay. Yeah. So. Hey, Corrigan subscribed, and it's that time. It's your turn, and I'm going to give you a personal invite. So go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, and share it. It's all about the share, man. Share it.